Hi there, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This short video is for Rite Temp HVAC. In this video, I want to talk about 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers for your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, shoot me a message and we can talk. If not, that's okay with me. I'll keep this video as short as I can, okay? The 3 things I want to talk about are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So as you can see, I'm on your homepage right now. And when I say content, I'm talking about everything that's on this homepage: pictures, words, videos, all that stuff. And to help rank your website on Google search engine, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this first homepage. And just with the words, you want to have pictures, which the back of the pictures and how they're saved will actually matter as well. So that's my main recommendation for this homepage right here. You want to make sure you guys have at least 1,500 or more words, which are keyword rich and very targeted, so your website can beat out your competition on Google. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. For that, I'll take you here. I did a quick search for HVAC companies just to show you how when a customer searches what they'll see, right? So what they see is first this top section right here. This is called the Google Guarantee. And this is a paid service by Google where to get up here, you got to go through a verification process with Google. And once that's done, you can actually place an ad here. And this is, in my opinion, a really good place to be. It's the first thing customers see. And this gives really, really strong leads. After that, we move down to this Google Ads section, the traditional Google Ads section. And this in 2020 is kind of a hit or miss in the sense that a lot of people really just skip over this because maybe they had a bad experience clicking on an ad before. And secondly, a lot of people nowadays got something called an ad blocker, in which case they'll not see this at all. But businesses still use them, and if it's placed properly, it'll give you good leads. If not, it'll just be a money pit. Moving down from there, we move to the map pack section, and this is also where I'll explain to you what citations actually are. So a citation is basically anywhere you can put your business information, such as the business name, telephone, and address. And this is exactly what this section is good for. And in my opinion, it's really imperative for a business to try to push and get on this map pack, at least the top 3 spots. After that, we go down to the organic section, which is this one. This is where websites which have organically ranked by searches come up on the first page of Google search. So this is a really, really good place to be at. So that's just basically explaining how this whole format of Google works when a customer searches for it. After this, I want to talk to you about the last thing, which will be backlinks. And a backlink is basically any website out there which is providing a link to your website. Basically, it can generate traffic for you and give you keywords as well. So I use this tool. It's called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, and it provides me with really good data on how a website is performing. So as you can see, I've typed your website's name right here to understand how you guys are actually doing performance-wise. So it's showing me that you have 47 referring domains, which are the ones that are linking to your website, giving you 370 backlinks, giving you 176 organic keywords, which in return are giving you about 37 organic traffic, or in normal words, people visiting your website. To put this into context for you, I went ahead and opened up another top competitor in New York to show you how their performance looks like. So this is theirs. As you can see, it's a really big difference because they got 826 referring domains, giving them 4,200 backlinks, giving them 7,800 keywords, and they're pulling at least 18,000 people visiting their websites. So organic traffic per month they're getting. So this was just for context. Let me go back to yours. So all these numbers, to put them where the other people were and to boost them significantly, is very doable, and it's what we specialize in. I'll go back to your website, and basically your website's already made. It's pretty clean, and if we just implement those techniques and different things we have in our business, we can definitely help you guys rank really high and get you a lot of good leads to your business. So basically, I told you I'll keep the video short. That's all I had for today. I hope you found this video to be educational. And if you'd like to know more about how NYC marketers can help you grow your business online, give me a call. My information is in my email signature. If not, no worries. Take the free tips I've given you today. If you could please just let me know how I did on the video and give me some feedback on what you thought, I'd really appreciate that. I'll leave you with that. Thanks for watching and have a great day.